think you are covered? Think again. The shocking truth about your insurance. Let me start with a blunt question. If something serious happened tonight, a medical emergency, a fire, a major accident, are you 100% certain your insurance would pay exactly what you expect? Or are you assuming it will? Most people don't have an insurance problem, they have an assumption problem. We buy policies to feel secure, we file them away, and we move on with life until the day we need them. And that's when the fine print starts speaking. Let's test something. How many of you have read your entire policy document? Not the brochure, not the summary, the actual contract. I too hadn't even read my first policy. Insurance as a concept, a product, has been around for centuries. Even in ancient trade systems, merchants shared risk. So even one loss wouldn't destroy them completely, like the code of Hammurabi from Babylon. Modern insurance systems evolved through institutions like Lloyd's of London, where structured risk sharing became more formalized. The core principle, though, hasn't changed, but the complexity has exploded. And today, 4 small terms can completely change your outcome during a claim. Let's break them down for you. Waiting period. A waiting period is the time during which certain claims are not allowed. For example, you buy a health policy today. 3 months later, you are diagnosed with a condition that has a 2-year waiting period. Your claim, sadly, rejected. Consider maternity coverage. Many policies have a 2 to 4 year waiting period. If you plan your family without checking this clause, you could be paying premium for years without eligibility. Waiting periods are not traps, they are contractual conditions. But if you don't know about them, you will feel trapped. Next, the co-payment clause. This is where the insurer says, we'll pay, but you share part of the cost. Let's suppose your hospital bill is 5 lakhs and your co-pay is 20%. You will have to pay 1 lakh out of your own pocket. Now imagine this. You are 62 years old. Many policies impose higher co-pay percentages after a certain age. That 20% becomes 30%. On a 10 lakh surgery, that's 3 lakhs from your savings. Suddenly, fully covered doesn't feel like fully covered. Next, moving on to underinsurance. This is one of the most financially dangerous mistakes one can make. Let's say your shop inventory is worth 1 crore. To save on your premium payments, you insure it for an inventory value of only 60 lakhs. In case of a fire, one would assume the damage is just 40 lakhs, the basic assumption. The damage is less than my coverage, I am fine. Wrong. Most property policies apply the average clause. If you have insured only 60% of actual value, the insurer may pay only 60% of actual loss. So instead of 40 lakhs, you will now receive 60% of total coverage, that being 24 lakhs. You will have to absorb the 16 lakh difference. That, my friend, is the true cost of underinsurance. Now moving on to insurable interest. This one sounds a little technical, so most people ignore it, but it ruins claims more often than people realize. You must have a legal financial stake in what you are insuring. Let me share a real scenario. A factory was destroyed in a fire. When the claim was filed, the insurer discovered that the land was owned by the father, the building was in the company's name, the machinery was financed, and the stock belonged to a sister concern. But the policy? The policy was issued only in one entity's name. The result? Claim delays, legal scrutiny, reduced payout, at the worst possible moment when liquidity was critical. Insurance doesn't fail in these moments. Documentation fails, structure fails, clarity fails. Let me share with you the silent mistakes most people make. The few patterns which I see repeatedly. Policies being purchased for tax-saving purposes and not actual protection. Saving 2 pennies today is not worth being incorrectly insured tomorrow. Sum insured never being revised for inflation. I mean, we all can feel the inflation. Why shouldn't your sum insured? stock coverage not being updated when the business turnover increases. Make sure your policy constantly protects all the success in your life. Health policies bought at 30 still unchanged at 50. As life changes, policy demands should change as well. Nominees never being updated after life changes. Your nominee is your security too. Remember, insurance is not a one-time purchase. It's a living contract that must evolve with your life. Here are 5 questions to ask yourself after reviewing your policy tonight. If hospitalization costs 10 lakhs tomorrow, can I cover my copay comfortably? Has my asset value increased since I last updated my policy? Do all insured assets legally belong to the insured entity? Do I know my waiting periods? Have I read my exclusions section? Even if one answer is, I'm not sure, that's your action item. Remember, the future is changing, but responsibility isn't. The insurance industry is evolving rapidly. We are seeing AI-based underwriting, predictive pricing models, blockchain-driven claims transparency. Publications like the Economic Times frequently discuss these innovations. Technology will make underwriting smarter, claims faster, fraud detection sharper. But no technology can replace one thing: your awareness. The contract will still be binding, the clauses will still matter, and the payout will still depend on what's written, not what's assumed. The real takeaway: insurance does not create peace of mind. Understanding your insurance does. Don't buy policies out of fear. Don't copy someone else's coverage. Don't optimize only for premium. As the Bhagavad Gita teaches, it is better to live your own destiny imperfectly than to imitate someone else's life perfectly. Apply that principle here on in your insurance. Design a coverage for your risk, for your age, your assets, your business, your family. This week, just take 1 hour. Pull out all your policies, read them, ask questions, clarify your clauses, because when a crisis strikes, it's too late to renegotiate. True financial security isn't about having insurance. It's about knowing with certainty that you are genuinely covered. Thank you. This is Parth Thakkar from Phoenix Insurance, your friend in need.
This is an educational video. This is not a recommendation or advice. Viewers are advised to do their own research and consult SEBI registered professional before taking any decision.